In this video, I will show you how to add your Hostinger domain to Framer. So doing this is fairly simple. What you want to do is first open up Framer and go to the settings icon right here in the top right. From there, head over into domains. And now for a custom domain, you will need to have a paid plan. So if you don't have that yet, first go and upgrade. But once you do have one, go and select it. And then here enter www. And then the domain that you bought from Hostinger. And then what it will do is verify that the domain exists and it has been bought. So if that is the case, so if you have bought it on Hostinger, it will then give you DNS records. And those DNS records you want to enter in Hostinger. And here's how you can do that. So just open up your hPanel and then go to domains right here. And on the domain you want to connect with Framer, click on manage, then go to DNS and name servers. Then just gonna delete your current DNS records since you don't need those. And after deleting them, what you can then do is add the new DNS records that you need for Framer. Often you will need to enter a CNAME or a couple CNAMEs and an A record. Then for the name, just enter what's on the left, and points to enter what's on the right when they give you the DNS records. And after entering all of them and clicking on add record, then it will be connected, but the propagation can take up to 48 hours. Often it's done within 24 hours. But as you can see, they say themselves, please note that this can take up to 48 hours depending on how fast the registrar of your domain provider is. Then if it says connected, you can republish your project and go to your domain in the browser to see if it works as expected. And you have then connected your domain to Framer. Now you can see usually it's actually 2 A records and 1 CNAME record, so the other way around. So the A records you have right here and then CNAME right there. So now you know how to connect your Hostinger domain to Framer. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.